Hey guys, welcome to Modern Homes Bacolod. Today we are going to feature another project built by GFM Construction. But before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and also hit that ring bell button to get notified to our latest videos. This two-story house is located in Oasis Subdivision, a gated community in Barangay Mansilingan, Bacolod City. The house stands in a 110 square meters lot. It has a frontage of 10 meters and depth of 11 meters. The floor area is 137 square meters, which includes the 24 square meters garage. This house is bounded by a two-story firewall on the left side and one-story firewall on the right. It has a 2.5 meter setback at the front and a 2 meter setback at the back. Right side of the pedestrian gate is the one-car garage that is 4 meters wide and 6 meters long. It would perfectly fit an SUV or a pickup truck. The main door is situated beside the garage. Solid doors were used for all doors in the house, including doors of toilet and baths. Upon entry, you will see the living and dining areas in an open space layout to make the space look bigger. In the living area, you will be greeted by a Nordic firefly design chandelier, giving the space a warm, cozy feel. We also use porcelain tiles with Carrara marble patterns and have a cement finish as accent in some walls. Measurement for the living and dining area is 3.5 meters wide by 6.5 meters long. Left side of the dining area is the open kitchen with an area of 3.7 meters by 2.5 meters. This space would allow the owner to build a kitchen island in their preferred design. And also the space below the stairs is left open and can be used as a storage space. Modular kitchen cabinets with glossy finish were installed, giving a slick and modern look to our interior. Right side of our dining area is a ground floor bedroom with an area of 3 meters by 4 meters. To fully maximize the space, public toilet and bath is placed below the stairs. The stairs is 1.2 meters wide with wood grain tiles on the top of the steps and flat bar railings. At the end of the hallway is the second toilet and bath. The toilet and bath includes a black chrome shower set, modern design water closet with bidet and a vanity kit with a wood grain aluminum base cabinet and shelves. Right side of the landing is a public balcony with an area of 4.5 meters by 1.2 meters. The left side of the hallway is the second bedroom with an area of 3.5 meters by 3.7 meters. It has its own access to the second toilet and bath. Across this bedroom is the master's bedroom with an area of 3.5 meters by 6.5 meters. Inclusive of the master's toilet and bath. The master's bedroom has its own balcony with an area of 3.5 meters by 1.2 meters. This is how the house looks at night with all the lights turned on. And that ends our 2-story house tour. I hope you guys like this video, and also please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also hit that ring bell button to get notified to our latest videos. Thank you for watching!